It seems like this is a deal that is coming together. We did have a statement this morning from Altria, which owns about 27% of SABMiller, saying they would like the board to engage, to come to the table with AB InBev. So it's starting to sound like this is moving toward some kind of conclusion, but clearly a lot of investors are not convinced by that.
We're in a very low growth world where companies are struggling to grow top and bottom line, and we also have price deflation. So I think it's good news for the market. The price differential clearly indicates that there's still some doubt as to whether this deal will get completed and at what price. The bond issue one is a very interesting one. It will not be as easy to get a big bond issue away in this environment as it might have been a few months ago. So clearly bonds will have to be priced very favourably.
I think that both statements from the companies this morning really have shed a lot of light on how it is everybody's feeling about the deal. I think that Brito, ABI's CEO, is very keen to move forward with a formal proposal, potentially, that would value the brewer at £68 billion. That's certainly very interesting that Jan du Plessis, SAB's chairman, has said that that substantially undervalues the brewer. So from that standpoint, it doesn't seem as though they've reached an agreement yet. Although it's interesting to see that Altria, that does hold a 27% share in SABMiller, seems to support a transaction at those prices.
The ball is in SAB's court right now. You still had this deadline of October 14th, and that still exists and still can be extended. Carlos Brito, the CEO of AB InBev, the world's biggest brewer, was just on a media call. We were listening in, where he essentially said, look, here you go, here it is. And what we want to remember, though, is the chairman of SABMiller, Jan du Plessis. He's faced some pretty hot takeover battles before. He's spurned takeover offers before. This guy has a history. There's a specific reason SAB brought him in to be chairman, and now essentially the ball is in his court, and we'll see how SAB responds. They haven't yet.